What a going good is? Yeah, man. Today your girl gonna make some ackee and tin mackerel. Yeah, man, just a little switch up. No ackee and starfish. We're gonna make ackee and tin mackerel. So here I have my ackees. I already boiled them so they're nice and cooked. And I have my tin mackerel right here. I'm using the jack mackerel. I have some seasoning that I'm going to be using, some onion, hot pepper, thyme, tomatoes. You don't have to add the tomatoes. A lot of people don't like tomatoes in ackee, but I'm trying to add tomatoes as much as possible in my recipes. So you don't have to add the tomatoes. I have some bell peppers and I have some garlic. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put on a pot with some oil and we're going to fry up our seasoning first. Okay, good. So I add the oil and now I added the season. So now I'm going to make the seasoning then fry up for about a minute, and then we're going to add our tin mackerel. So we're going to fry up the tin mackerel for about another minute, and we're going to add some black pepper. Actually, I'm going to use garlic pepper powder because I love the garlic taste, but if you don't have that one, you can add the black pepper, and you can add a little bit of your Maggi chicken seasoning or your Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Okay? Alright. Okay, good. So now we're going to add our tin mackerel. Get in the tin mackerel. Shake it out. That's why we Jamaican call it shake out. And then we're going to add our garlic pepper powder. So I've added the garlic pepper powder and a little bit of salt. You can add black pepper if you don't have the garlic pepper powder, and you can also add some garlic powder, or if you have garlic salt. So I like to crush the mackerel just a little bit. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm allowing this to cook up now for about 2 minutes before we add our ackee. Added some minced garlic. You can add about a clove of garlic and mix that in. Okay, goodies. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add our ackee. So just grabbing my ackee, I strained it. So you wanna strain off the water of the ackee. And then you're just gonna mix this in and allow this now to cook up for another 2 to 3 minutes. See how beautiful that looks, goodies? Yeah, man. Remember, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel for more authentic recipes, delicious recipes. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about my recipe so far. Dumplings over here boiling with some sweet potato, and that's what I'm having my ackee and my tin mackerel with. So let me know what you think about this recipe. So here it is, goodies, our ackee and tin mackerel, all fried up, all done. Let me know again. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you will be trying this, and if you do try it, let me know what you think, because a lot of people know about ackee and starfish but never tried the ackee with the tin mackerel. I'm telling you, it's gonna be amazing. All right, my friends, until next time, what good.